Hi everybody, this is Nikki with Angry Cat Crafts. Welcome to my channel. Today I have for you my weekly Tuesday morning haul, and this will be a combination of yarny and non-yarny things. So let me take this moment to say, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please hit that bell, hit the subscribe button so that you will get notified of each and every video that I upload. I hope you're having a great week, and let's get into the video. So the first thing that I got at Tuesday morning was more of the Bernat blanket yarn, and this is called Country Blue, and these are 5.3 ounce skeins and $1.99. Whoops, $1.99. And I got 6 skeins of the Country Blue. The next color I got is the dark gray, and they only had 4 skeins of the dark gray, so I got 4 skeins of the dark gray. I also got this really pretty, what color is this? Dark teal. And I got, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 6 of the dark teal. Great price for $1.99. You cannot beat these prices. I think that is all of the yarn that I got. So next I'm going to show you my non-yarny things. So hold on one second. Okay, I'm back. All right, so for the non-yarny things, I picked up this pack of scrapbook paper called Halloween Spirit. It is by DCWV. It's the Halloween stack, which you can see the combination of colors and pictures. This was regularly $19.99 and I got it for $6.99. These are really cool. I like that they're double-sided. And the last page in this is all stickers. So I'm going to incorporate this into my Halloween crafting. So I was really excited to find that. The next thing that I was really excited to find was the Heidi Swapp limited edition card making kit for Christmas, and these are shaker card kits, and you basically make a globe on your Christmas cards, and you add sequins and all these die cuts. Let's see if I can open this without taking up too much time. This was originally $14.99. I got it for $4.99. It says it's 141 pieces. I'm not sure how many cards you can make out of this. Let's see. 6 cards, 6 envelopes, 6 globes, 50 embellishments, 70 foam pop dots, 1 gift tag, 1 ribbon. Cool. So I bought 4 of these so that I would have enough to do a good portion of my Christmas cards. And let me just show you what this looks like. So here's the card, and that's the globe part. And you open it up, and there's the adhesive. You take one of the globes, you fill this up with all your shaker bits, and then you close it up. And then see that? So you'll be able to make a shaker card. And you could put anything you want in there. You could, this has got little Christmas trees, lots of die cuts, little faux snow, and I just dropped them all over the place. So that is going to be very fun to make for Christmas. Let's put this back together so I don't make more of a mess than I already have. So I was very excited to find these. I was watching everybody haul these and I thought my Tuesday morning is never going to get these. But I was so glad to see that they had them, and I snatched up every one they had. I was looking for more of the Halloween crafting stickers and supplies, but mine only had that paper pad, but I was happy to get that. Another thing I got for Christmas crafting is this Project Life kit, and this is all Christmas. $4.99, and these will be also fantastic for making Christmas cards. I send out tons of Christmas cards every year, so I like to be able to make a nice variety of cards, so it's always good to have extras on hand. And this has got a lot of die cuts in it too. Project Life cards and embellishments. So there's that. All right, and then I have a bag of goodies. I was able to find the little Birdie handmade flowers. And these are great for embellishing cards, journals, scrapbook albums, you name it. And these were $2.99. I also got from the Little Birdie collection these purple and blue handmade flowers. And these were also $2.99. Also from the Little Birdie collection, the handmade embellishments, and these are all little butterflies. And these were $1.49. I had to have those. Those were adorable. Next we have, I got some dies. I got the Dream, and I also got the one that says Family. And these were $3.99 originally, and they were an additional 20% off. So that was a good price. I also received, or I also got Tim Holtz mirrored hearts. These are acrylic hearts, and they were $1.99 and they were 40% off, and I got 2 of those. I got some small tassels. These are great for attaching to traveler's notebooks. These are also cute for making stitch markers. And these were $1.99 and they were 20% off. Also from the Little Birdie collection, I picked up the 4x6 Fairy Sparkle cards. This was another item I was trying to hunt down because I love fairies. And then here's the one on the back. Isn't that pretty? These were $1.49 and you get 12 designs. And I bought 5. I will share some. Then I got the Eek Tools plastic sheets. These are great for using your punch and punch out, you know, just about anything you want. Those are all the colors that you get. And this was $1.49. These are 5x7, and you get a total of 12 sheets. Looks like it's not focusing. Sorry about that. And then also from the Little Birdie collection is the Amoremio 4x6 card collection. This is also a set of 12. And this is their, I think this is their more of a wedding type design. Also $1.49, and that's what the one on the back looks like. So I thought that was a good find. I got some kitchen towels for my daughter. These were $4.99, 20% off, 3-pack. Thought that was a great deal. And then I got some fabric, which I thought was a really good deal because most of them was marked $5.99. This is a 5-pack. These are all in pinks. Has some elephants, some flowers, words, hearts. And these are fat quarters, and these are, it says 18 by 21, $3.79. Originally was $7.77. And then the other one that they had, also for $3.79, is this set. Pink, yellow, blue, green, and purple. And they're all different designs. So I think that, oh, and I got, hold on, I got this. It is a fragrance fan warmer, and it's one of those warmers that you use the wax melts with, but this has a fan in it, and the fan blows the scent as the wax melts. It blows the scent into your room. And this was originally $30, marked down to $15. and I got an additional 20% off on it. And I cannot wait to use this. I love candles and wax melts. So this was a really good find. I wanted to grab a couple more for my son and my daughter, but they only had one. So I'm going to keep my eye out for some more, because this is a great deal. And it's been, if you go to the website, it's been discontinued. You can't buy it anymore. So they only have the ones without the fans. So this is going to be really nice to have. Okay. So that is everything for my weekly Tuesday morning haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope that you are having a lovely day. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, leave a comment. If you have any questions, just let me know, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.